In case you're having this issue like me, where you have this nice reflections here, you go to play your game, and you see the nice reflections, and you're like, okay, alright, let's build it. The build finishes, you go to play the build, what the hell? I know that is supposed to be red, but everything is like, it's not reacting to the light at all. So come over here. So I know these ships are supposed to be glistening, but it's dark. So you're like, dude, what gives? What I ended up figuring out is in my game view, I noticed this texture here. I can kind of see the emissive sprites right off the very bat. This texture is much lower quality than the texture in the editor, and that was the giveaway. Current active quality level, it says ultra, but it doesn't mean anything. When you build, these two things that are checked here, it's the default. The defaults are set to very low. So whenever you build, this is the quality that it's building at. The ones that are green, that is the default quality setting that you're building at. So if you want to get your textures to be the right resolution and you want everything to look good and pretty, shining, reflecting lights, doing everything it's supposed to, and if your game's anything like mine where you have no light maps, so there's no baking of any lights, so it can't be that, boom. We go over here to examine our, not the 2D ships, but the 3D ships, and we see we have all of our beautiful lighting is back the way it's supposed to be. So that's how I managed to solve this problem. I hope that helps.